welcome to Stanford Students, your own channel where you are learning English speaking and grammar free of cost. As you can see, today we are going to learn a new topic that is in English speaking. So let's have a look what is that topic. So before I go for the topic, please subscribe this channel, because if you subscribe the channel, only then I can help you more, only then you can learn free of cost. So as you know that we are doing group discussion from morning till night in 12 sessions of 1 hour. Each session is of 1 hour. You can participate in any one session if you want to learn free of cost. Learn at 9 o'clock at night. So it is totally free for you, and all the speaking, grammar and school textbooks which I am going to teach you here is free of cost. Please participate in group discussion, because group discussion is very important for you. So today our topic in English speaking is versatility in jobs. So before I tell and I discuss, please tell me about this thing, that what comes in your mind by reading this term versatility in jobs. What do you understand by this term versatility in jobs? What does it mean? Please pause the video here and think for a minute that what does it mean. I hope you understood and you discussed by pausing the video. So let's have a look what is versatility in job. So I have a very short and a small story for you all, that by this example and a story you'll get to know that what is versatility in job. Let's read this story. Pause the video here and read it. In the early days of phone service, you would call the operator and ask to be connected to a person's phone line. This system was questioned by Alexander Graham Bell's friend Dr. Parker. Graham Bell was the person who invented telephone. I hope you know. So when he invented the phone, in the beginning, what was the thing? It was not like today that we are taking out our mobile phone and calling anyone at any moment. It was not like this. In early days it was like this. Even in my childhood it was like this. We need to call telephone operator office, BSNL office, and there we need to tell that, sir, I want to talk to this number. Then they used to call that person, and then they used to connect the call. This was the procedure of one call. So it was taking around 1 hour to make a call. Okay, so then at that time when the condition was like this, then Graham Bell's friend Dr. Parker asked Graham Bell that the town was suffering from measles, and Dr. Parker suggests that if town's phone fell ill, it would be difficult to run phone service. So Dr. Parker, who was a friend of Graham Bell, he said, if operator will fall ill, suppose that the operator whom I am going to call to make call, if he is suffering from something, then what will happen? How will we run this service? If the middleman is ill, if middleman is not well, what will happen? So using the number instead of names was seen as a better solution. This system is still in use today. So what they did, they removed the name system. They put number in place of name. Now we are dialing number. Earlier number was not there. There was a name that I want to talk with Mr. Kapoor. So the operator used to call Mr. Kapoor of that particular area. So they removed this name concept and they put number, and very soon the job of operator removed from the market. There was no job of operator. So what happened actually? Versatility means the change in a system, a change and upgradation in a system. So because of this upgradation and update, what happened? The job of telephone operator finished. Today there is no any vacancy of job operators. So what is the question here? What comes in your mind by reading versatility in jobs? So we should be careful while choosing any job. Will this job exist for next 20 or 30 years, or at least 50 years? Will this job continue for 50 years or not? The thing is, we should be careful about it. First thing. Next thing, let's have a look on a question which is below. Will phone operators get job after this change in phone service? This question is for you, that will a phone operator get the job or not? Will this job exist or not? What will happen? What will happen? Think about it. If you thought, then let's have a look on my answer. Actually, after this change, the job operator, miss call operator job is not possible, not miss, never, because we have such a great option of calling by mobile phone. You are taking out mobile phone nowadays and calling in seconds, so it is totally not possible that this job will exist. So while choosing any job, you should be careful, right? You should be careful in terms of choosing job, because if you will not be careful, what will happen after 20 or 30 years? You will lose your job, and at that moment you will feel that I am jobless. As in this lockdown, many people lost their job because they were not careful while choosing their job. If you will be not careful about choosing the job, that a job will exist for the next 50 years or not, how will you confirm your job? So I have few questions for you. Please stop the video here and read these questions. So the very first question for you all: which of the professions job will not exist in future? Think and discuss. Let me stop the car, then I will discuss with you. So the very first question is, so here, the very first question for you all. Which of the professions job will not exist in future? After all, which job is there which is not going to be there in future? Think about it. Next question: which job that do not exist today will be needed in future? There are many jobs which is not present in today's time, but it will appear, it will create in future. There are many jobs it is happening. Call center concept was not there in past, but now it is. Think before choosing any job profile. So if you will answer these two questions, above two questions, which we are going to discuss in our group discussion also, and you are going to answer the same question in the comment section. If you will discuss and think about these two questions, you will be more conscious about choosing any career or job for yourself. So think about it. This session is very important. Participate in this session, because I'm going to discuss about jobs. I'm going to discuss about and listen. So I'm going to discuss and listen about jobs, whatever career you are going to choose. So let's have a look on the homework. Which job should we select? This is a homework, but the basic question which you are going to answer are these two questions which you are going to answer: which of the profession and which job. These two questions you are going to answer, and if you are not unable to answer that question, so homework is for you. Which job should we select? Next topic we are going to discuss: uses of professional title. We'll talk about few professional titles. That what are professional titles? Okay, so we will discuss about that. We will discuss regarding these things, professional titles. And please subscribe my channel, because subscribe, only then I can help you better. And thank you so much participating in group discussion. Speaking practice is very important. Don't skip, don't do absence in group discussion. I am seeing that people wait for my notification, people wait for my message that I will send links. Link is same for every day. I am conducting group discussion every day. I am sending few days, but I am conducting the session every day, means every day. Please participate every day. I'm going to apply in my exam actually, so I'm driving car now, but still I am dedicated towards your learning also. I'm not doing any holiday for you that I'm going for exam, so I will do holiday for you. I will share which exam I'm going to give, but after, if I'll get a good result. Thank you so much. See you in the session.